Interesting facts about python. Fact 1. Impressive size. Pythons are among the largest snake species in the world. The reticulated python holds the record as the longest snake, capable of reaching lengths of over 20 feet and weighing up to 113 kilograms. These snakes have incredibly flexible jaws and can consume prey much larger than their own head size. Despite many debate, anacondas and pythons belong to two different families of snake. Anacondas belong to the boa family and are found in South America and the Amazon basin. A python belongs to the family Pythonidae. Fact 2. Unique hunting technique. Pythons are ambush predators known for their distinctive hunting strategy. Instead of actively pursuing their prey, they patiently wait in a concealed location until an unsuspecting animal comes within striking range. Once close enough, the python will rapidly coil around its victim and constrict it, cutting off blood circulation and suffocating the prey. Fact 3. Protecting mothers. Pythons exhibit a unique form of parental care among reptiles. After mating, female pythons lay eggs, typically in a warm, protected nest. However, instead of leaving the eggs unattended, many python species, such as the Indian python, exhibit brooding behavior. The female coils around the eggs, providing warmth and protection. She remains with the eggs until they hatch, and may even shiver her muscles to generate heat and maintain the ideal temperature for the developing embryos. Bonus fact. A prominent programming language, Python, was named after this snake. It is popular among the software community. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to get more such interesting videos.